about compound proportions. We are going to solve that using a question. 20 men can construct a wall 150 meters long. So we write that 20 men can construct a wall 150 meters long in 15 days. How long will 25 men take to construct 100 meters of such wall working at the same rate? So we are looking for the number of days. We are going to use comparing ratios. We compare the ones that we have, like we compare men and the days. Then later on we compare the meters constructed and the days. So if 20 men can do something in 15 days, what do we expect 25 men? The number of men has been increased, so the days will be less. Less days, so decreasing ratio. So from the fraction we are going to have in decreasing the smaller value at the top, so 20 over 25. Then times, we now compare the second part, the meters constructed and the days. If 150 meters is constructed in 15 days, what about 100 meters? The meters has been reduced, so probably less days to finish the 100 meters, less days, so still decreasing ratio. Decreasing ratio for the meters will be the smaller value at the top, 100 over 150. Then this we multiply by 15 days. So 20 over 25 times 100 over 150 times 15. I'm getting 8 days. So it will take 8 days for 25 men constructing 100 meters to finish the job. We can look at the next question having the same concept. 40 workers can dig a tunnel 90 meters, so we write that down. 40 workers can dig a tunnel 90 meters long in 5 days. What length of the tunnel can 25 workers dig in 12 days? We don't know what length, so in 12 days. Still, we are going to compare the ratios. Let's reason out now. As usual, we compare the number of workers and the meters to be constructed, then later on the days and the meters to be constructed. So let's begin. If 40 workers can construct 90 meters, what about 25 workers? The workers have been reduced, so they will definitely construct less meters. We are going to have decreasing ratio. So we are going to have the smaller value at the top, 25 over 40. Then times, we come to the second part, the days. If in 5 days 90 meters is constructed, what about 12 days? The number of days have been added, so definitely more meters will be constructed, therefore increasing ratio. We will have the bigger value at the top, which is 12 over 5, then we multiply by the value remaining, which is 90 meters. So we put that in our calculator. 25 over 40 times 12 over 5 times 90. 135. 135 meters. That is the length to be constructed by 25 workers in 12 days. Let's look at the next question. In a construction company, 20 men can construct a structure 15 meters high in 18 days. How many less days can 15 men take to construct such a structure 10 meters high? 10 meters high, working at the same rate. We want to find the number of days. As usual, we compare the number of men and the days, then later on the meters constructed and the days. We begin. If 20 men are using 18 days to do something, what about 15 men? The numbers of men have been reduced, the workers have been reduced. So they will definitely use more or require more days. More days increasing ratio. We will have now the bigger value at the top, 20 over 25 times. If in 15 days, 15 meters is constructed in 18 days. What about 10 meters? If 15 meters is constructed in 18 days, what about 10 meters? The meters have been reduced, so definitely less days. Less days, decreasing ratio. The decreasing ratio will have the smaller value at the top, which is 10, over the bigger value, which is 15. All this we multiply now by 18. We put the values in our calculator. 20 over 25 times 10 over 15 times 18. 20 over 25 times pardon, here we had 15, so 20 over 15, pardon there. Okay, so 20 over 15 times 10 over 15 times 18. Yeah, we will have 16 days. 16 days is our answer. But the question is asking, how many less days? How many less days? Previously, 18 days was being used. Now it is 16 days. So we have to minus. We'll have 18 minus 16, which gives us 2 days. 2 days is our answer now. I hope you have learned something.